Hello everyone, how are you? I am Akrash, your teacher here, and I will teach you different questions and their answers. So I welcome you on classtheta.com. So our today's question is,
Truck labor and manufacturing material are two categories of manufacturing costs, and the answer of the question is that's correct. Truck labor and manufacturing material are indeed two essential categories of manufacturing costs. Truck labor refer to the cost of labor directly involved in the production process, such as wages paid to worker who physically assemble or manufacture the product. Manufactured material, on the other hand, encompasses the cost of raw material and components used in the production process create the final product. These two categories are fundamental components of the overall cost structure in manufacturing operations.
thank you for watching the video. If you have any question related to this video, please post a comment below. If you have any question in your mind, you can also post on the website and I will be answering you in the next video. Thank you for engaging with us. Until next video, bye bye.